everything in touch with the client on board in the meeting, and that way we make sure that everyone is happy.